Hi my YouTube family, welcome back to another project demo video. This time I have created a new project called NewsPortal, which includes both a front end and a backend. Front end built with React, Vite, TailwindCSS and Toaster notifications. Backend powered by Laravel with Sanctum for authentication and MySQL for the database. This web application is designed to deliver and manage news articles efficiently. It provides a seamless experience for both readers and administrators. Readers can browse news across categories while admins can manage content with ease. With its clean UI, scalable backend and secure authentication, News portal is perfect for organization, media companies and online publisher to share updates dynamically. Anyone can read article without login, but if you want to post comments, you will need to create an account. I have also added a loader and skeleton screens to make the experience smoother while content is being fetched. So let's go through the news portal project. It has four main sections: header, news highlights, latest news, and category highlights, footer. Headers. The header is split into two sections: the top bar and navigation links. Let's talk about the top bar. Users can register by filling in their full name, email, password, and confirm password. After successfully registration, a smooth notification appears. Then user can log in using their email and password. There is also a search option for specific news, and clicking the logo always takes you back to the home page. The navigation links display categories dynamically. News, highlights and articles. Here you can see daily highlighted articles. Clicking on the article lets you read its detail and post comments. Whenever an admin posts a new article, it appears latest highlights. Whenever an admin posts a new article, it appears here. You can also slide through to access multiple highlights. And categories highlight. News is displayed category wise so you can easily filter and explore. When you click on the read more link, then it will navigate to you the categories news. And footer. In the footer, user can subscribe with their email. The system will save your email and send important updates directly to your inbox. This application is fully responsive, so it works smoothly on small screens too. Users can also log out anytime. That's all about the user side. And if users try to navigate to a route that does not exist, they will see a clean and user-friendly 404 not found page. This helps improve the overall user experience. Now let's check out the admin site. Admins must log in to access the backend interface. I have added a register page for testing, but later I will restrict it. After login, admins are redirected to the dashboard. The admin site has 4 pages: dashboard, manage news, manage categories, manage media. Dashboard: 4 static cards: total news, published news, draft news, and categories. And a quick view of the latest 5 news articles and recent comments. Manage news. Admins can add, edit, delete. In the future, I will add a bulk upload option for faster mass publishing. Manage categories. Admins can add new categories or filter existing ones. Manage media. This section is still in progress. Soon admins will be able to upload and manage videos. Finally, admins can log out anytime. And that's a complete overview of my news portal project. Now let's take a look at the code structure behind this project. Front end, I use React and TailwindCSS. In the front end, inside the src folder, I have organized the project into components, context, features, hooks, pages, services, objects, main.js, api.js. In this api.js file, I defines all API endpoints with a custom interface and fetches the base URL from the .env file. Main.jsx, we wrap the app and provide authentication using context provider. In the app.jsx defines all the routes for the application. Services, API handling and related logics. Pages include all the different pages of the application. Hooks. I have created custom hooks that act a bridge between pages views and API calls. You can see features contains modules for authentication and admin specific functionality. Context used to store and access user and admin details across the app. I have many components, small reusable components that keep the app clean, efficient, and maintainable. Let's talk about the backend. I use Laravel and MySQL. One of the best thing about Laravel is that it follows the MVC pattern. MVC stands for model, view, and controller. In this project, the views are handled entirely on the front end. So on the Laravel side, I mainly use models and controllers. Models represent database table. They define fieldables, fields, relations between tables, and provide elegant methods to interact with the database. Controllers handles the logic, process, request, and return response. Database folder contains migration, which acts like version control for the database structure. includes Seeder, which I use to upload dummy data in the early development stage. Routes. I use API routes for handling all front-end back-end communications. Media storage. The backend can also store media files like images. And this log file, I use Laravel's log system to track response and errors for debugging purpose. And this .env file used to connect the backend with database and configuration environment specific variables. This setup ensures that both frontend and backend are cleanly separated, follow best practices, and remain scalable for future features. I hope you liked this demo. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more project demos and tutorials.